Okay, we was over some real life articles or components for these symbols we've been looking at. That first one right here, the cell. Here's the cell. You might say, hey Gert, that's a battery, but yeah, it's really just a single dry cell. It's 1.5 volts there. You can see that. Positive end up here, negative end at the bottom. So the current's going to come out of the top part, that little one with the bump, and provides a current, and is always going to have 1.5 volts. Okay. Now here's another example of one. Get out of this holder. Boom. You're going to say it's the same thing as a battery. Yeah. Well, it is actually. What do you think the difference is? Nothing. Just the size. Basically, this one here, the D cell, has a lot more stored electrical charges, so it can provide current longer, given the same circuitry, that kind of thing. Depends on the size of the article you want to put it in too, so that, you know, if you got something big, heavy duty flashlight, you can use this guy. Smaller flashlight, use the smaller one. For our lab purposes, if we were ever having a lab, I got some container or holders here. Snap the battery in there like that. This one would be the positive side. So we'd be looking at this guy here, like that, positive end. You connect alligator clips or something to that side, and you do your circuitry, and you would come back with the bottom portion and the negative end right there to that little hooky thing. Last little example I got of a voltage source or battery. This big boy here. It's a 6 volt. It's basically got, like, you know, 4 of these guys. There's 1.5 each. 1.5 times 4 is 6. So this has 4 of those dry cells in there, and the terminals are these wire things here. You can see the one in the corner is the positive 6 volt terminal, positive. That one's negative. So you'd hook it up just the same kind of way. Same symbol as that guy there too. It would just be fashioned that way. Okay. The only other type of voltage source we might have, it's a generator. I should have brought it over here beforehand. Stuff over here. Basically, you guys may have seen this. You may have had it up before. It's just a little light bulb so you can see what's going on with it. Here. This guy's a little handheld generator. That's the generator in there. You can see it inside the plastic. You turn it like this, your motion here gets converted, your kinetic energy there gets converted into electrical energy in the generator component inside there. You can hook it up positive, negative. Doesn't have nomenclature on there because I can go one way and it lights up, and go the other way and it lights up. So it depends on which way direction you're going. That gives your polarity or your potential difference direction. And that's about it for right now.